Edward Williams, Sovereign Class Magazine. Here tonight, Colors of Class, the Black Edition Little Black Dress Party. Class spokesmodel competition is going down. We've got another contestant right here. So we're going to have her introduce herself, and we're going to have her in just about 20 or 30 seconds tell us what qualifies her as a class spokesmodel. So first off, tell us, are you having a good time at the Black Edition?
I am. Everybody's looking lovely in their black.
Awesome, awesome. So what's your name?
My name is Julia Williams.
Julia Williams. Well, my name is Edward Williams. Whoa. Am I
We
correct?
cousins?
We cousins. Okay then. Okay, now that's what's up. So she locked in. What's your birthday month?
May.
Okay, so she's locked in for May. Julia Williams, May, class spokesmodel for May. No, but seriously, so tell us a little bit, Julia. Tell us a little bit about yourself and what qualifies you to be a class spokesmodel.
I think what qualifies me is I'm very motivated, very passionate about volunteering and giving back.
Awesome.
I actually work with the group Blossoms that's here tonight.
Awesome.
On the board with them, and I think I will represent your magazine well.
And I think she would represent the magazine very well too, especially because she's Julia Williams. Hint, hint. No. So vote for Julia Williams for class spokesmodel for May. Thanks, Julia.
Okay.